A pleasant afternoon to each and everyone. My name is Lady Marion A. Arcilia, and today I'm gonna show you how to do problems involving system of nonlinear equations. So the problem is, the sum of the squares of two numbers is 277, and the difference of their squares is 115. What are the two numbers? So, ang hinahanap sa problem na ito ay yung two numbers. First, let's assume the two numbers are x and y. The sum of the squares of two numbers is 277. So, x squared plus y squared is equal to 277. The difference of their squares is 115. So, x squared minus y squared is equal to 115. Ngayong nakuha na natin yung equation na gagamitin para sa problem neto, now, let's solve these equations. Adding the two equations together. So, ang una muna natin gagawin ay i-add natin yung dalawang equations na nakuha natin. Quantity of x squared plus y squared plus x squared minus y squared is equal to 277 plus 115. Yung 277 at 115 ay given na siya sa problem. I-add lang yung 277 at 115 at ang makukuha natin ay 392. Dividing both sides by 2. I-divide lang natin yung nakuha nating sagot sa 2. 392 divided by 2 is equal to 196. So, yung x squared natin is equal to 196. Then, kukunin natin yung square root ng 196. Square root of 196 is equal to positive and negative 14. Substituting the value of x into one of the original equations. Isa-substitute lang natin lahat ng value ng x na nakuha natin. So, yung value ng x natin is 14 squared plus y squared is equal to 277. 196 plus y squared is equal to 277. Y squared is equal to 277 minus 196. 277 minus 196 is equal to 81. Kukunin natin yung square root ng 81, so magiging value ng y natin is positive and negative 9. Therefore, the two numbers are x is equal to positive 14 and y is equal to positive 9. Or, x is equal to negative 14 and y is equal to negative 9. And that's all for my presentation.